Hi, this is Ferella from Any House Cleaning, and today I'm gonna use my new brand vapor steamer. That's a regular, portable, domestic vapor steamer. I asked my sister, well, I didn't ask, she knew that I was looking for something like that because my commercial vapor steamer broke and I have to send it to Fort Lauderdale. So I hope that they can fix it. I already spent like more than 1,000 for my commercial vapor steamer. I'm gonna try today this machine. I think that you're not used to this vapor steamer. This is a compact. When the cup is like that, this is not a continuous vapor steamer. My commercial vapor steamer you can continue pour and pour water so the vapor will continue vapor. You don't have to shut off the machine, wait until it cools, open, and put some water. So that's the difference between commercial and something portable. She bought it on Harbor Freight. I think less or $100, I guess. She bought the warranty because she knew that I'm gonna use it often. I'm gonna put some water. I like about vapor steamer because it works. Sometimes it takes longer, but it's worth it. I really like it, especially when we have post-remodeling cleaning. Sometimes we have to take out some paint from some surface. We have to take out some haze from new shower. I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna use this machine today. Push, unlock, okay. Push, unlock, push, unlock. Okay, this is the attachments. So far, I like it. This is the brush from the floor. The attachment, a handle, some detail brushes. This is a nylon brush. This is a copper brush. A round brush from nylon. Detail nozzle. Triangle. This is for the windows. And this is the adapters. So I like the fact that you can clean and sanitize with no chemicals. We are gonna use this portable vapor steamer today. Thank you, Rosie, for giving me this for Christmas. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna start working and make another video. Really good machine.